Hello friends, I am CA Patiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we will see how you can join or merge this type of text in a single cell. Today we will learn the new formula text join TEXTJOIN. We will use this formula. First, it asks you to define the delimiter. Delimiter will be into inverted comma. So I will type into inverted comma for two times. Then there is we have to put a comma sign. Again, it will ask you two options. If you have an empty cell and you want to ignore, then you have to write true. If you don't want to ignore, then false. Here we write true, say for example, then again comma. Now we have to select the text. So I will, for a moment, I will select this text. Yeah, just bracket over. Now I will press the enter. Oh, you will tell the space is not coming and I want the data with space. Then what to do? So I will press F2. Here, if you will type one space, there will be single space will be added in the entire data. Now the beauty of this formula is if you write something here, the text will be automatically inserted in the formula. Hope friends you have liked the video. If you feel the video is good, please like, subscribe the channel. If you are new, thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.